I want to bring in Debra, Opri, a legal expert. Debra, why on earth do we have to have two trials when these guys are the ones who chose to go in there together and they both admit they were there together? Why is it that we have to go through this twice?
Jane, well, I believe it's morally reprehensible that this father has to survive this and go through this again. Unfortunately, we have the fair trial due process rights of criminals, and the criminals' rights, regrettably, are coming first in this instance. This woman, what's happening with this tragedy, that he has to relive this, and especially when this Karjavinsky, whatever his name is, has 43 pages of a diary, and he's calling this father a coward,
unbelievable,
passive, and he gave him every opportunity to save his wife and daughters, alluding to the fact that I'm really not responsible. The father was a coward. Now, if I was the father,
there are no words. And despite all that, this family, the Petit family, has shown incredible grace and dignity. Those are the words that come to me. Almost saintly. This family has been betrayed over and over again by the criminal justice system on one level or another. And I got to get back to you. You said the most offensive thing, we only got a couple of seconds, is that this monster defendant is now in jailhouse letters calling
a diary. He's basically calling the father a coward. And this thing with the separate trials, I know you're very upset about it, but unfortunately, the defense made a motion for separate trials. As far as the police surrounding this van and following it, they have to always assume the worst. I mean, stop them in their tracks. They don't know what's going on. At least they would have saved one life, right?
Yes, absolutely. We've got to leave it right there.